Inside this video, what I want to do is share with you exactly how you can start making $10,000 or more per month in only about 30 minutes of action per day. Now you can see on the screen right now, those are screenshots of my Stripe account where I was actually generating $2,000 or more every single day using the exact strategy that I'm going to reveal to you in a second. Okay, now I'm on a whiteboard app right now, and what I want to do is break down exactly how this simple formula works. So by the end of the video, whether you're brand new, whether you have struggled to make money online, you can go out there and finally start to achieve the level of income you want online. Now, what this business model entails is something called affiliate marketing. It's hands down the easiest method to make money online because you don't have to create your own products. All you do is find a product online that's selling well. You find people that are interested in that product, and when you refer them to buy that product through your own coded affiliate link, you get credit for that sale and you can actually make commissions and money. Now, this formula, the first step is to actually get visitors because we need to find people that are going to be interested in the product that we're going to be promoting. So how do you find visitors? A lot of people overcomplicate this. There's endless places to find people online. Number one, Facebook. Okay, you can go to a Facebook profile. You may have some friends or family that are already friends with you on Facebook that you can promote products to. You can do YouTube videos. This is what I'm doing right now. You can go to Instagram, Twitter, Craigslist, solo ads, which is a form of paid advertising. There's lots of ways to get visitors. Now, here's where people go wrong when they want to use this method. Rather than sending people right to your sales page to make money, you want to send people to a capture page. This is going to collect your prospect or that person that's interested in the product. It's going to collect their email address. Most people will not decide to buy instantly, so we want to follow up with these people through emails. So we collect their email address on this page. Now, two things happen. Number one, they get added to our email list, okay, and they also get taken to the affiliate sales page. Now, this sales page is going to have a video walking that person through what the product is, the benefits, and then it's going to have a buy button underneath so they can go ahead and purchase that product. And then also, again, it's going to add them to an email list. Now, with software online, you can actually set up follow-up emails. You can have these emails going out, following up with people, okay, one a day, sending them back to the sales page. And eventually that person will buy. And if it has multiple products on the affiliate program you're in, you can earn, $100, $250, all the way up to $2,000 per commission in some affiliate programs. You can just spend 30 minutes a day focusing on getting visitors to your affiliate link, and then all this can be taken care of for you. And that's what I want to share with you in this video. If this made sense, I want to invite you to a totally free webinar. There's going to be a link or a button around this video. When you click that, it's going to take you to my website. Now, it's going to look like this. Go ahead and put your best email here. And whether I'm out at the pool or hanging out with family, you're going to get the private link to this webinar. Now, once you go to the webinar, it's going to look like this. You want to watch this entire video because the creator of this done-for-you system, David, is going to walk you through how to set up the system. And you have different income streams. So you're just going to create accounts inside the different income streams, and he'll walk you through this very simply. And all these different income streams pay you some up to 100% commission per referral inside of this affiliate program. So it's very powerful because once you set this up, you just get your link right here, which is your affiliate link. And then you just send visitors, okay, through Facebook, YouTube, etc. And all this is done for you, okay? When you access the system, all the other stuff is going to be done for you, okay? And when you do position yourself inside of the system under me, you're going to get access to my personal bonus training, such as how to get visitors for free on Facebook. You're going to get done for you copy paste ads. You're going to get access to our private Facebook group where we share way more methods to get visitors and more. Okay, so go ahead, click the link on or around this video. Go to this free webinar while it's still available. Find out how to access a done-for-you system to put this into place, and you can start to make up to $2,000 per commission, 10K or more per month in about 30 minutes a day on autopilot. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hope you got value. Check this out, and I will see you over on my website.